Today, I will be presenting the architectural design of our rage management system, including the MVC architecture, activity diagram, and user interface design. Our main goal was to create a system that is maintainable, scalable, and easy to understand. To accomplish this, we expanded our original high-level design into a model view controller, or MVC architecture. Instead of placing all responsibilities into a few large classes, we separated functionality according to user roles and system responsibilities. For the administrator role, we introduced the admin controller and admin view classes. The admin controller manages user accounts, licenses, and system controls, while the admin view handles displaying the information to administrators. For race organizers, we created the race controller and organizer view, which manages race creation, registration limits, and race results. Finally, for racers, we added the racer view, which allows users to view race schedules, category levels, and race results. A key design was avoiding a single model class responsible for all system data. Instead, multiple domain classes handle business logic and application data. This follows the MVC principles and prevents classes from becoming overly complex, improving maintainability and scalability. Our activity diagram focuses on the race registration process from the racer's perspective. The workflow begins by verifying whether the racer has an account. The system then determines whether the race is official or unofficial. If the race is official, the racer's license must be validated to ensure it exists, is not expired, and matches the required category level. The system also checks whether registration is still open and whether the participant limit has been reached. If all requirements are met, registration is completed. Otherwise, the racer receives a rejection message explaining the reason. This workflow helped us clearly define the business rules and validation steps required by the system. We also developed a UI sketch to visualize how the user interacts with the system. The sketch includes key eraser screens, such as viewing available races, registration for a race, purchasing a license if necessary, and receiving registration confirmation. Creating these sketches helped ensure that the user experience aligns with the workflow defined in the activity diagram and the responsibilities defined in the MVC architecture. Several design principles guided our architecture. We followed the KISS principle by keeping functionality simple and limiting user access to features relevant to their roles. We also applied the single responsibility principle, ensuring that each class performs one primary function. Additionally, we used encapsulation to protect sensitive information such as payment and license data, and followed the open-close principle to support future system expansion. Finally, our design incorporates important constraints such as license verification, race registration limits, role-based access control, category requirements, and fast processing of race results. These constraints help ensure security, fairness, and performance throughout the system. Overall, our architectural designs combines the MVC principles, clear workflows, and user-focused interfaces to create a system that is organized, maintainable, and ready for future growth. Thank you.